In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show labels side by side in an Excel pivot table. This is a really handy formatting trick that makes your reports easier to read and compare, especially when you're working with multiple fields in the rows area. Let's start inside your existing pivot table. If you don't already have one set up, create a basic pivot table from your data first. Then come back to these steps. Once your pivot table is on the screen, click anywhere inside it. This is important because Excel only shows the pivot table specific options when your cursor is actually inside the pivot table. After you've clicked inside the pivot table, look at the top of Excel's ribbon. You should see the pivot table specific tabs appear, usually called something like Analyze or Pivot Table Analyze, and Design. The one we're interested in right now is the one that controls layout and design options. Now, move your attention to the field layout on the right side of the screen in the Pivot Table Fields pane. Here, you'll see the different areas: filters, columns, rows, and values. To show labels side by side, you'll typically have two or more fields placed in the rows area. If you only have one, go ahead and drag another field into the rows area so we can see the effect. Once you have multiple row fields, you might notice that Excel sometimes indents or nests one field under another in a stepped outline-style layout. To change this so that the labels display side by side, go back up to the ribbon and click on the Design tab under Pivot Table Tools. On the Design tab, look for the section called Report Layout. Click on the Report Layout button, and a small menu will appear. From here, choose the option that says Show in Tabular Form. This layout places each field in its own column, which is the first step toward getting those labels lined up side by side. Next, open that same Report Layout menu again, and make sure that the option to repeat all item labels is turned on. This repeats the outer row labels on every row, rather than leaving blanks. With Tabular Form enabled and item labels repeated, your row fields will now appear as separate columns, with their labels clearly visible next to each other. Take a moment to resize your columns if needed, and you're done. Your pivot table labels are now displayed side by side, making the data much easier to scan, filter, and analyze.